Zola, since baby pa siya, medyo clingy pa siya sa akin. Hindi pa niya masyadong trip yung tatay niya katabi na tunod. Usually, pag umuwi kami ng bahay, lagi yan hi nanay, hi tatay. Ganon ka-sweet si Sion na aminin ko, mana yun sa tatay.
Happy birthday, Sion! I wish you all the best and sana maging parehas ka ni tatay, mabait, matulungin, at may takot sa Diyos.
So let's live for tonight, for tonight. Hands up, screaming, baby, just enjoy the ride.
Wish ko na sana silang tatlong magkakapatid from Ate Sam, Sion, and Zola, they may grow as a God-fearing person and laging magtulungan sila in the future na pag lumaki na sila, sila rin na magkakasama palagi and magtutulungan.
Sion's third birthday pero first birthday party celebration niya. Maraming salamat po. Sana mag-enjoy kayo today.
I found a happy place, forever happy days. I'm singing, I'm singing. I found a
Sana you will stay sweet as always as you are. Medyo mabawasan sana yung kakulitan.
I found a happy place, forever happy days. I'm singing, I'm singing. I found a happy place, forever happy days. I'm singing, I'm singing.
Bali, thank you sa lahat ng pumunta sa binyag. Sana parati silang gabayan ng Panginoon sa kanilang araw-araw na pamumuhay.
Happy birthday, Sion. Wish I love you and that I don't want you in my life.
Happy place, forever happy days. I'm singing, I'm singing. I found a happy place, it's written on my face. We're singing, we're singing.
Happy birthday, Sion, and welcome to Christian World, Zola. We love you.
Happy birthday! Welcome to Christian World.